why?
Yeah.
The wheels on the
Have been falling off for months.
dishwasher basket has been rolling off for actually years. This is the second
It's the most annoying thing.
basket.
Every time you open
I
this.
stole this from another, from someone that was throwing away a basket, and this one's falling apart now too. Problem is they're $200 to replace.
Just to get the basket, it's $200.
It comes with the wheels and everything.
Yeah.
The wheel assembly is kind of flawed because these clips underneath here, zoom in. Now, that plastic clip has a tendency to snap off and get brittle when they're wet. So I put them back on temporarily, then they pop off. So now I'm just doing a simple zip tie to the back side.
Which you can
of
still
the
wash.
clip. You can still wash. It's just a plastic.
And they'll
zip
stay
tie.
put.
And they'll stay put, and they won't come off anymore.
How did
That's
you
it.
put the zip tie in?
The zip tie? You want to see? I can actually show you how I do one.
Okay. See, that keeps falling off.
Okay, so we'll start.
Oh.
We'll show this one on top. So this clip in general, which pops off from just getting loose. So if you just go to the back side of it with a small zip tie, and it'll tighten itself. Make sure that the ridges are turning into itself, so that when it slides in, that's where it grips. And then you just use itself to tighten, and then I
Trim
take
it off.
take a pair of fingernail clippers and get as close as possible. Done.
How much should that repair cost?
42 cents.
Awesome.